Welcome back to An Article a Day Creates an Excellent Way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skills. I am Renuka, student of class 12th. I am going to read out the today's article to you.
Degrees sans education. There is much more to learning than acquiring knowledge, scoring distinctions, and getting degrees. Wide Angle by Albert Prayan. Assume that student A attends only online classes, submit assignments, takes tests, exams, everything virtually. At the end of the third year, he gets a degree without having gone to college. Imagine student B gets up at 5:30 a.m., rushes to catch the bus, goes to college 5 days a week, chats with his friends on the bus and on campus, eats with them in canteen, discusses various topics with his teachers, works on projects and teams, plays in the evening with his friends and so on. Do the two acquire different skill sets during their college education? When both attend job interview, which one will be better position if in the selection criteria includes 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity and critical thinking. Leave alone their skill sets. Who is better prepared for life? Students who completed their class 12 last year are pursuing their tertiary education in various colleges and universities, but some haven't even stepped into their campuses. The pandemic has forced them to stay home and attend online. They don't know who their teachers and classmates are. They see the faces only on their computer screens. No interactions, no discussions, no face to face meetings. With the second wave of the coronavirus having hit the country, we are not sure if the year will be different. Have to stay at homes. Students miss something precious. Typical college life. Most people are quite positive about their experiences at college. They have been shaped by socializing with friends, quarreling with them on silly matters, discussing IPL and their thematic assignments in time, going late to classes and giving lame excuses, being laughed at by their classmates for giving such excuses, bunking classes and going to cinema and learning a lesson from the experience, getting caught and being punished for misbehavior, visiting malls and spending the pocket money calculatedly, eating together, playing cricket on weekends, forming groups to study on the eve of exams, working on team projects, and so on. Each activity must have contributed to their overall development. During the process, they acquired the 4 C's and prepared themselves for life without even knowing that they were learning and mastering these skills. Real education, social emotional skills, SES, refers to the knowledge, attitude, and skills that are necessary for everyone to reading social situation. These skills include various soft skills, the 4 C's: and emotional competence, problem solving ability, interpersonal skills, and team skills. Though educational institutions are expected to promote this among students, students can acquire them in their own. Same educational institute have created a conducive environment for the students to develop their social and emotional competence. People who have narrow view of education think that it is enough to provide students with knowledge, prepare them for exams and enable them to get degrees or diplomas. Education is not all about acquiring knowledge, scoring distinctions, and getting degrees. It is much more than that. Education is not complete without acquiring basic social emotional skills and imbibing values. Now, the pandemic situation has forced students to be stay at home scholars. Being is forced on them but becoming and blossoming is possible is possible. Life is a journey from begin to becoming, from being to becoming. To come out of this situation, students should know the importance of social emotional skills and try to equip themselves with the same. It is optimism that makes our lives meaningful. When the pandemic ends and students come back on the campus, new word in this articles are sans, which means without. Second is imbibe, which means to absorb or assimilate. Third is conducive, making a certain situation or outcome likely or possible.